tomorrow we may go out exploring St. Louis together. Who knows? We'll see. I'm running slightly behind on my upload this week, you guys, and I think that that's because I just don't know what my video is, because my original plan was part 2 and I just haven't finished part 2 yet. And so here we are trying to figure it out, but we're gonna get something uploaded in the near future. I'm currently in St. Louis. That's me. And look at this view. How fire. So a Cardinals game just let out, but my room has a straight view of the Cardinal Stadium, and it's Taco Tuesday, so I'm about to go get me some tacos for the free. I didn't even have to pay for them. Okay, blessings on blessings. That's what I'm talking about, blessings on blessings. So let's make this thing shake, because your girl's a little hungry, but more than I'm hungry, I'm tired. So I want to get this food so I can get into bed. Right, huh? I also have, the bathroom is nothing to write home about. It's your average bathroom, but we do have, this is actually, it looks like my mom's favorite granite, Tropic Brown. I'm almost positive that's exactly what this is, Tropic Brown granite. Look it up if you don't know. All right, let's get some food. And into one of my crew member friends that I just had Panama with. And tomorrow we may go out exploring St. Louis together. Who knows? We'll see. But I'm about to wash my face and get into bed, y'all. I am exhausted, like tired. So I decided to go out for a little walk, and little did I know, I was literally right next to the St. Louis Arch. So I'm walking over to get a better look at it. I haven't seen this since I was like, I don't know, maybe a teenager, when we did a road trip and we drove past it and we could see it from the highway. But this is incredible, and I don't know when I'm gonna learn to double check that I have extra shoes in my suitcase, because I'm out here in my UGG house slippers, but they're like hard soles, so I can still wear them, but I gotta remember to put some sneakers in that bag of mine, y'all. It's pretty great. That is such a cool shot. Look at that arch, guys. You better bend that back.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real.